In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails automatically in Pipedrive. Let's dive in and make your email communication seamless and efficient. First things first, you need to log in to your Pipedrive account. If you haven't already got one, set it up to make the most of this tutorial. Once you're logged in, you'll find a neat, user-friendly interface. At the top of your screen, locate the More tab. Clicking on this will present you with a drop-down menu of additional features. Here, you'll see the option labeled Automations. Select it, and you'll be directed to the Automation Settings area. This is where the magic happens, as you'll configure the sequence of events that will handle your email sending automatically. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Automations page. There, you'll find a conspicuous Plus Automation button. Click it to bring up a new window where you'll set up your automation from scratch. In the fresh window that opens, you'll see an option to Add Trigger. Go ahead and click on it. Setting a trigger is crucial as it determines when your automation should start operating. Essentially telling the system, when event A happens, start this process. Browse through the available items and events that can trigger your email automation. Choose an item and the specific event associated with it. This is completely customizable, allowing you to tailor-make automations that fit your workflow requirements perfectly. Once selected, don't forget to click Apply Trigger to ensure your choice is recognized by the system. The next step involves enhancing your automation by incorporating specific actions. Do this by clicking the plus sign to add a new step. From the drop-down menu, opt for Send Email or Send Email using Template, depending on your needs. If you've already pre-designed email templates for various scenarios, using these can enhance consistency and save time. After selecting the email action, choose from your available templates. Personalize them as necessary by adding your signature and specify who the recipients should be. This allows you flexibility, whether you're initiating contact with new leads or following up with existing clients. You may also want to introduce certain conditions or prescribe delays to cater to specific scenarios. This could involve setting a wait time between emails or sending emails only if certain conditions are met. Also, use notes for any additional information the automation must carry out. With your automation setup now configured, take a moment to review everything. When satisfied, click Save and activate the automation, ensuring it turns on and becomes live. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've set up automatic email sending in Pipedrive, allowing you to streamline communications and increase overall productivity. Thank you for watching. Keep these instructions handy, and you'll have a reliable tool in your Pipedrive arsenal. See you next time.